Damn, look at that thing. Ooh. Man, oh man. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to another beautiful day from sunny South Florida. We're gonna have a pretty active, fun-filled day for you guys today. We have a lot on the agenda, so it's gonna be a wild ride today. First off, we're heading over to the Lake Worth Service Plaza on the Florida Turnpike to meet up with Serge and Eric. Once we meet up with those guys, we're actually gonna ride down south to Fort Lauderdale to the Hard Rock Hotel for Supercar Saturdays. Supercar Saturdays is an event that happens the second Saturday of every month. And basically you get all the supercars in South Florida to kind of come down, and it's like a really nice car show. So it'd be awesome to go see some cars. We're gonna hang around there for a bit, see some Lambos, some Ferraris, some Porsches. Should be a fun time. And then we're gonna head even further south to Peterson's Harley Davidson for the East Coastin' Stunt Show. It's those guys from up in the, I want to say it's Connecticut area. So yeah, they're coming down. They're gonna do a little stunt show for us. Just hang out, see some bikes, see some friends, and have a good time. We're gonna meet a few other people down there, so should be a great day. Let's head to the service plaza now and meet up with Serge and Eric. I'll see you guys there. Alright, I think Eric is here. He just texted. Eric's the guy with the turbo Road Glide. Oh, there he is. Yo! What's going on, buddy? How you doing, man?
How are you?
Pretty good.
A few moments later.
See the cars here. See that beautiful Rolls Royce Phantom right there? Holy shit. Oh, it's so sexy. So sexy. Damn, look at that thing. Ooh. Man, oh man. Alright, I guess we went in with all the cars. There's a good number of people here. Yeah, I'm good, thanks, bro. Check this out. Nice.
Look at them T's, bulls ready.
Baby.
Yeah, the best.
Oh yeah.
Vehicles in town.
Met me in the flesh. She got something she gotta come here and collect. That shit is in a box to the left.
Yeah, I'm glad we split, dude. So that was fucking dope, man. We got Kevin and Stephanie. They joined us at the car show. Checked out some cool ass cars. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now we're heading down to Peterson's Harley Davidson South for the East Coast and Stunt Show. I guess when it's traffic like this, the only way to kind of get by is to split lanes, man. You gotta. One intense ride, bro. Sheesh. Poor old man. Sorry, buddy. Alright, so we're just pulling up to Peterson's Harley Davidson. I've never been here before. I've only been to the location up north. Well, North Miami. But yeah, that's where we're heading now for the stunt show. So I'll see you guys there later. What happened with Eric's bike, but I think his phone might have flown off. I'm gonna turn back for him, see what's up.
It came off the...
It came off the thing?
Yeah.
Well, we turned right?
Yeah.
We turned right from there?
Yeah, but I was in the outside lane. It's on the bike anywhere.
That's what I was looking. Dude, could have been way fucking worse.
Yeah, how do I get...
We found it.
One eternity later.
Got that slide and never hide in town. If you guys didn't see my last video with the group ride, go check it out.
Now everybody get a leg. Darky, we're not supposed to be down here. That's it.
How you doing, man?
Good job, dog. I know you got me on height, so this guy is...
Clockwork seems the best.
There you go. That's how I'm gonna start the video.
Yeah, all the colors coming. Now we're gonna drop one color a month.
Got a great spot over here. What'd you do, Eric? Oh my god. Dropped out of here.
Dark saves the day.
To the rescue.
Thank you.
Hey, good shit, man.
Thank you.
Really good shit, dude. Damn. Brother. Yeah, I got a hat.
Alright, man. Oh, yeah, you got
Good seeing you again, brother. We'll see you again soon, yeah?
How far is your way?
Like 75 miles.
Man, hey, when next time we gonna roll, we gotta do something.
For sure, brother.
Figure it out.
For sure, brother. Good seeing you again.
Always. Thanks for coming down.
Yes, sir. Will do, you too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, buddy. Got them stickers. Yeah. Hey, you already going?
Huh?
My man.
Oh, that's right, I did go. Hey, we do smoke a lot. I'm gonna keep this for Steph.
Yeah, keep it. Yeah, give it to her.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I already put him on in Daytona.
Your mag line.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Definitely put that in your pocket. Don't lose your phone again.
Yeah, I don't have a phone to put in there, so.
Yeah. Later.
Alright, bro, be easy.
Will do. Alright, see you, homies. Later. Well, that was a great time. Had a lot of fun with the crew. Had a lot of fun checking out the car show, the bike stunt show. Big shout out to East Coastin'. Big shout out to Slidin' Never Hidin' right there. I don't know if you see him. Slidin' Never Hidin'. Big shout out to the whole crew that came out, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps more than you guys know it. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Later.